Hi everyone, today I want to recommend the best Esim app for Romania, and you can find the link to it in the description below this video. I've tried many other Esim apps and this one is in my opinion the best. Let me show you how easy it is to use. Once you click the link in the description, you will be redirected to Play Store, and here you just simply need to download the app. Click on open and you need to sign in. If you use the link in the description, you will get huge welcome bonus in $7.50, which is really huge. And now let us buy Esim for Romania. Just simply click on Esim shop, and here you can write Romania or just simply find it like that. So here it is, and now you need to choose the best offer for you. I will choose 10 gigabytes for 13 days. Click on buy now, I understand, and here we can choose how much bonus points we want to spend. I want to spend all of it, so now we just simply click on next, add a new card, and after you add your payment information, you are ready to go. With excellent coverage, competitive prices, and huge welcome bonus, you will definitely like this app, so be sure to try it out. Thank you for watching, leave a like and subscribe.